Hi, in this video, we will compare Mangools and Ubersuggest. Mangools is a set of easy-to-use search engine optimization tools for freelancers, bloggers, affiliate marketers, small to medium enterprises, SEO and marketing agencies. Its key features, like keyword research, competitor analysis, SERP analysis, and others, help extract key data from all tools. Keyword Finder is the primary Mangools tool and the most used. It provides metrics on rankings, search volume, CPC, PPC, keyword difficulty, and more. The Search Engine Results Page Checker tool shows the results that a searcher will see for a particular keyword. Also, it examines how you would rank for the same keyword suggestions. Search Engine Results Page Watcher is a Mangools rank tracking tool. It monitors your search engine results page ranking for the given keywords. This tool provides information on your rank, how the keyword is trending, estimated traffic, search volume, and other performance indexes. Mangools Link Miner tool allows for backlink analysis of your page and your competitors and identification of link building opportunities. It provides site profiler backlink results, pointing to the domain or URL that you enter. Site Profiler provides an SEO profile of a website based on its popularity on Facebook and backlink strength. It offers extra insight, such as the top content of a competitor's website, which can help generate ideas for your site. Mangools offers a free plan forever, and paid plans start at $19 per month. On the other hand, Ubersuggest is a robust SEO and content suggestion tool, offering users actionable insight and analysis for consumer search demand, content performance and competition, on-page technical SEO, backlink strategy, and comprehensive SEO campaign management. Enter your domain or page URL to audit your site for SEO issues and get detailed instructions on how to fix them. Enter any keyword and find profitable SEO keywords that are easy to win. Use the Ubersuggest keyword discovery tool to get maximum results. In competitive analysis, find out how you stack against your competitors in search. Also, find out which top competitors compete for your keywords. In content ideas, find the exact content that attracts SEO traffic. Identify the winning content that generates traffic. Traffic Analyzer uncover your competitors' most successful keywords and pages. Get an estimate of how many monthly visitors your competition is generating from Google. In the Backlink Discovery tool, mine your competitors' links and create links for your site. Also, analyze the backlinks behind your competitors' rankings. Ubersuggest offers a 7-day free trial with each plan, and paid plans start at $12 per month. If you want to use both Mangools and Ubersuggest for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.